In our previous video, we have discussed about LAQs. Now we will discuss life cycle of Entamoeba Histolytica. It causes amoebic dysentery. You should add this point because it is very important. So, life cycle involves three stages. Every life cycles have different stages, but this cycle has three stages. Let us discuss the three stages. Life cycle of Entamoeba, trophozoid, pre-cystic stage, and cystic stage. Trophozoid stage. Let's discuss about trophozoid stage. Trophozoid stage, it is most active, motile, and pathogenic stage. Location, mucosa and submucosa. Membranes of large intestine. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के सब म्यूकोसा एंड म्यूकोसा वाले मेम्ब्रेन्स में लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में रहते हैं. लोकोमोशन moves with single bond finger like pseudopodia, also known as lobopodium. It moves with the help of a single blunt finger like structure called pseudopodia, also known as lobopodium. It moves with we have seen amoeba which moves with the help of pseudopodia, which helps in locomotion. And in this also it's the same, but is also known as lobopodium. Nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Trophozoid body is surrounded by plasmalemma. It is the most important point. You should add this point. Don't forget to write this one. Okay. Then pre-cystic stage. It is non-infective stage. In this stage we have pathogenic stage. In this it will not infect. Then it is non-feeding stage. It doesn't feed, it doesn't infect. It locates found in lumen of large intestine. Here it is present in mucosa and submucosa membranes of large intestine. It is present in lumen. Lumen is like this. Then structure. Pre-cystic stage has a structure small, spherical and non-motile. It does not move. It has a small and spherical size, and it does not move from one place to another place. It is not matured. That is why it cannot infect, it cannot feed, it cannot move. It stores food in glycogen granules and chromatid. I will show diagram on the screen. You should draw this diagram. You will definitely score very good marks. Let's discuss cystic stage. It is the last and very important stage in Entamoeba Histolytica. It locates in lumen of large intestine. These both are same. Just it is not matured, but it is matured. You should remember only large intestine. You have to just remember submucosa and mucosa and lumen. In this, these both are same, lumen. And let's discuss this. Location, it is found in lumen of large intestine. Structure, round and surrounded by thin cyst wall. If we are discussing cystic stage, structure should be round, surrounded by cyst wall. Because we are discussing cystic stage, so cyst wall. You should remember like this if you're just learning a day before exam. Process of development called incystation. You should write this point. Don't forget to write this point. So, process of development called incystation. After the process, mitotic division occurs. In this, after development, mitotic division will occur in the nucleus. Then it produces mature cyst, which infects man. Draw the diagram which I have given in the screen because you will score very good marks. Diagrams should be very neat and clean, so tidy, and should only labeled in the right side. So, life cycle, we have to write first stages, then life cycle. After cystic stage and pre-cystic stage, we have to draw diagrams with perfect labeling on the right side. Let's discuss life cycle. We'll also have life cycle diagram. We'll draw the diagram at the last. Let's discuss life cycle. Initially, trophozoites go through binary fission. They first trophozoites binary fission. They give rise to number of daughter entamoeba in wall of large intestine. First, trophozoites goes binary fission. They produce number of daughter entamoeba. We are discussing life cycle of entamoeba, so it will entamoeba. So trophozoites first goes into binary fission, then give rise to number of daughter entamoeba in large intestine. The location of Entamoeba histolytica is only large intestine. If you are discussed, we discussed trophozoite has submucosa and mucosa, precystic and cystic stage has lumen and lumen in large intestine. Three of them in large intestine. So trophozoite first goes into binary fusion, then give rise number of daughter Entamoeba in wall of large intestine. So bacteria and host. Bacteria and host tissue are the source of food. So bacteria and host tissue. For entamoeba, bacteria and host tissue are source of food. They feed on host on bacteria. After feeding, the trophozoites gain in size, multiply. So when we feed someone, they'll gain in size and multiply. But they can't multiply was so after feeding trophozoites, we are discussing about just trophozoite, the first stage, okay? So when they increase in number, when they are feeding, trophozoites gain in size, multiply, then increase in number due to repeated binary fission. They are gaining size because they have fed trophozoites and they multiply. When they increase in size, increase in number due to repeated binary fission. They gain in size because of feeding. They increase in number because of repeated binary fission. Young ones enter lumen of large intestine. Then change into precystic stage. We just discussed trophozoites, then precystic stage. It is a very easiest topic we are discussing, and you should write with no fear in exam. Then young ones enter into lumen of large intestine. Suppose these are trophozoites, Entamoeba trophozoites. Okay, they have first they fed, so they are so small. Then they fed, gain in size and multiply when food. When they fed, trophozoites gain in size and multiply. There were three. Now they gain size and they multiply. Then it increases size due to repeated binary fission. Because of binary fission, they increase in size. Okay, so young ones enter into lumen of large intestine and changes into precystic stage. These are young ones, right? These are young ones. This is large intestine. They enter into lumen. The whole cycle takes then precystic altered cystic stage. When young ones enter into lumen of large intestine, it changes into precystic stage. Then when precystic stage alters itself to form cystic stage. The whole cycle takes few hours. If you draw the diagram which is showing on the screen, you will get very good marks. So write this and you will definitely score very good marks. You will have to draw 3 diagrams and these topics, you will definitely score very good marks.